Alrighty guys, thank you so much for joining my channel again. We are about to turn my head from red to blue. So if you want to see this, just stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining my channel. I am Dillian Kiera. Today we are going to do a couple of little things, so just, stay tuned and join. So what we're gonna do today is I am going to take this color. I have no idea what this color is. Like, it was supposed to be red. I didn't want to dye it, or I didn't want to bleach it, and it came out this color. It's like a red, not a red, kind of red. I don't like it anymore. So what we are going to do is dye it this color. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that color right there, sweeties. You know, that color. Doing this color. And see, that was $1.99. $4.99? Yeah. And so literally this comes with everything I need. I thought I needed to get like everything individually and get the developer, get the bleach, get the literally everything. However, my awesome lady at my beauty supply, she was like, you don't have to do all that. This comes with everything. Comes with the dye, the bowl, the developer, the bleach, and a brush. Because my hair is previously dyed in perm, and not even perm, just more texturized. I don't need that high of developer. I don't think like a 40 or 30 developer should like be put on my head. I'm not trying to lose the little bit of hair that I do have, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that is a pimple. Anyway, good time. So with that being said, we are going to just jump into it. I am going to just, yeah. So here guys, I am just going to be talking to you just to avoid my rambling. I wasn't really talking about anything, guys, I swear. And then I'll still keep you guys updated to what I'm talking about, I guess. But yeah, so what I do love about that box is it's like everything in one for like $8. It's like $9 at my beauty supply, like $8.99. And it came with that bowl, the developer, which was 20 volume. It also came with I'm thinking that's the hair dye, which is K69 Midnight Blue. I'm trying to get you guys to see it. Yeah. Is that how you hold it? I always wanted to do that. But yeah, so this K69 Midnight Blue, and then the other color was Cobalt Blue. And I'll show you guys too later on in the video, I think I saw. And then that is the bleach. Now it's smelling like blueberries, and that's why I had that face like, oh my gosh, is this really blueberries? That's nice. It's a little plush you get, I guess. But yeah, and there goes the brush. And we just catch a couple of me slides just dancing to my favorite song. So don't mind me, guys. I'm very, very goofy, so try to keep that. And then what I do like is those came with like the loose gloves instead of those tight ones, and then your hands get wet, can't use them again. I don't like those. Those are better for me, especially with my nails. However, still ended up getting my nails dyed. So yeah, that's awesome. And then here as well, and this is where I'm going in and just putting the bleach into the bottle. I didn't show you guys like an accurate measurement, only because I know what it's supposed to look like, what I want my consistency to look like, just from bleaching frontals and stuff like that. And then that's what kind of consistency you want, that pasty consistency, where you can hold it up like that and then not fold over or drop down. But now I'm going in and just applying the bleach over to my ends. And then what I'm going to do is go into the roots and apply the bleach, just because, your head has heat, and that which helps the bleach process is heat. So you want to do your ends first and then go in with the bleach at the end. I'm trying to section them off as like best as possible. But however, you know, my hair is very short. The nails, it's not grabbing like the way it should be. So, but yeah, this is what I'm doing now. And then it is slowly but surely getting there. And then you can totally see eventually it's just gonna keep getting lighter and lighter and lighter until all that red is out. Granted, I did not do a bleaching process on top of that red. What I did was, I want to say it's high 5 or high something. It's bleach for dark hair, and what you do is you put a little 30 volumer and some conditioner in that dye, and it dyes your hair from black to, you know, that red. Depending on your hair, some people get bright red. I got that funky looking color, so I didn't like it. And it was pretty cute. I will insert a video at the end of what it looked like as well. It was a red color, it was like a strawberry, but it wasn't the red that I wanted it. So, and then eventually started to fade, and you know, you see the new growth and all that. So, new color, new time, new me. And then I do start school at Paul Mitchell Institute. So, I was like, I'm starting school, I might as well do a crazy color. Eventually, you know, somebody help me fix it. And I'll be able to fix it myself. So that is what I'm going on. But as you can see, I am putting in that bleach to my roots and just evening it out, making sure it has a good consistency. Definitely, you want to make sure that you have enough bleach to get through all your follicles and all the hair so that it bleaches correctly. If you can see, my roots are really light right there. That part was like, I only had like 3 minutes left, so I was like, you know what, I might as well put a bag on my head. What can it hurt? So that's what I'm doing, is putting that bag over my head, waiting that 3 minutes, and then I'll come back with you guys to let you know what it looks like, because oh my gosh, guys. Whew. Okay guys, so I rinsed it out. We are gonna see what this not final, but we're gonna see what this shit looks like. So, Jesus. All right. Oh, guys, I don't know. Oh, shit. So, when we dye red and bleach it out, this is the color that she did. So, yeah. This is not the fucking... This is not it, but we're gonna figure this out. Now, mind you, I'm going from red, so it's not gonna be blonde. It's not. It's fucking not. So, we're about to figure this out and get shit right there, because. Okay, guys, so here I am just laughing my little life out because, oh my gosh, my hair is so freaking orange. Like, I look like Chucky. That is not what I'm going for. So definitely what I'm doing now is I'm going to start sectioning off that front piece and applying that lighter blue, that cobalt blue, to the front of my head. And then I'm going to apply the midnight blue to the back of my head, just so that I have the look I want. And I wanted to do like kind of like an ombre look. And because I only like wear my hair in finger waves, kind of still gave that a look, which is really nice, especially in the sun. And then I know you guys see that little patch of blue. What that was just my trial dye to see what it was going to look like. Didn't come out too bad, so that's why I guess kept going. And then too, I was like, you know, if it's ugly, we can just always dye it black and start from scratch, you know? Maybe, I don't know. So here I am dyeing it that blue and just making sure I get all of the hair and dye into my hair. Sorry guys. Get all that dye into my hair, making sure everything and every strand of hair is just covered with that blue, so I don't have any patches, any light spots, or anything like that. Especially in the front, you don't want that. So yeah, and I'll just let you guys watch that, and then I'll come back and show you guys. guys, so as you could see, that little brush just was not cutting it for my hair. Like, it just wasn't. And I ended up dropping like a big old chunk of dye onto my face. So I was like, you know what? I'll just use my hands and make that work. So, yeah. Okay guys, so this is the final product. You know, just a little something. We'll go in and touch it up. And yeah, I'm gonna style it and be back. Still felt soft, which is the best thing that you do. But yeah. So here I am just going in with my wrapping foam, my eco styling gel, and some got to be spray, and that's all I use to do my finger waves. And then I lay it down with the black wrapping paper and my do-rag. I was trying to hurry up and get to my friend's house. They were all waiting on me, and I'm always the last one there, so I was trying to hurry up, but usually that never happens. So yeah, tie it down with the do-rag, and then I will come in and show you guys what the finished product looks like, and then I'll insert a before and after pic, just so you can see the color that it was before and then where it's at now. But thank you so much for joining me, and I appreciate you guys. Definitely please subscribe, and yeah, you guys should definitely keep out for more of my videos. I start school this week, so you definitely should take out for those videos of me just showing you what school life is about, especially as a cosmetologist. Yay! So I am back. I finished my hair. I love it. Still need to fix a couple of things, but I definitely love it. I love to see it in the sun. But yeah, that's my hair.